Hi dears, welcome back to our channel Teaching Toolbox. I'm here, Aisha. So today we are going to discuss about some of the relevant questions that you asked. So this is very doubtful questions frequently coming in my comment box. The first one that we are going to discuss here is, while applying for teaching job, school is asking about UAE experience, what to do, because you are coming as a fresher here, then how you can have experience over here? This is the most relevant question. Yeah, of course everybody is asking the same, but you have to prove yourself. Even though without that experience you can understand what all things are going on UAE schools. Especially I'm teaching here, right? TLS related things we already know about it. Then the Ministry of Education inspection works, how the lesson plans we are making in UAE, how the PPTs are going on, everything you know. So you need to explain it on that time. So even though I'm not here, we are searching for it. We are learning about this. So we know how we need to attend a demo lesson and ministry inspection. We know about SDG goals. We know about how we need to link with UAE with the subject, interlink with the subject, and how we need to open up a topic, everything. Okay, so and as well as you have to mention the modern tools, like I know how to use this smartboard. Even though you are confused, at least you watch the video how you can connect this. Yes, so that is okay. So you know how to connect it. Then you know about Google Classroom, Zoom meetings, and Class Dojo, Nearpod, Partlet, this kind of teaching tools. As well as you know about artificial intelligence to help us for the smart work, like ChatGPT, teach better.ai, everything I explain here in our channel. Yes, if you have confusion, please watch this video. It will definitely beneficial for you while attending an interview. So during the interview, these questions are asking after considering your CV. If you consider with your CV, means you are eligible for that post. After that, after anything, if HR is telling, that is all an excuse. For example, you don't have a husband visa, it's an excuse to avoid us. Yes, and you are a fresher, it is also commonly seen as a excuse. So when you are getting a call through a proper CV and cover letter, half win. Then other half is in your hands. How you are responding to them, how professionalism you are showing to them, that matters. So CV related as well as cover letter related videos I'm posting for teaching assistant. I already posted. Yes, you can watch that. You can modify your CV. Definitely put a smart professional photo in your CV. That's a must. Okay, and always the aim should be focused. If you're applying for a teaching assistant, focus on it. That's a must. If you want a CV similar to teaching assistant, teacher CV, if you want, please mention here in the comments. I'm reading all of your comments and I'm planning to reply through the video, because most of the comments the same questions are asking. So next video I will upload with your answers at the beginning. Okay, before going to the topic. So that is what you are asking at first. So in UAE, if you have any kind of experience, you just mention the school, curriculum, grade that you teach, role that you played, everything. And if you don't have experience, I know most of you are watching my channel, you don't have experience in UAE. So what you need to do is, you have at least the experience there in your country, yes, native place. So you need to write about your relevant experience there in your own country. Then yeah, even if it is your home country, mention it. And modern technology tools that you used in the previous school. I told you, like Google Classroom or the Nearpod, etc. Okay, you just learn some of the tools at least and tell them confidently. Then if you're applying for a new school, let me tell you a technique for that. If you are a fresher, try to apply for smaller schools. That means smaller scale, that kind of schools, number of students are less, that kind of schools are there. So Most probably the salary is also less over there, but it doesn't matter. If you're getting an experience for at least 6 months, it definitely work for you. Okay, you are getting a starting, so after that everything will go smoothly. Okay, so try to apply in that kind of schools. Secondly, you need to check whether some kind of school having temporary vacancies like maternity cover, 3 months or 2 months only it is. So first apply for this maternity cover or this kind of covering works. So if you are doing that 2 months in a school, definitely help to get the job in another school, that is for sure. So somehow you need to try to get into any of the schools without checking the salary or the time period that we are getting. Okay, just try for that. That definitely beneficial for you, I'm sure about it. If you're not getting anything like that, try like this, volunteering. So you can approach the nurseries or the schools or even training institute for volunteership. So we can work there 1 or 2 months at least without getting any payment. So that is called volunteering. Yes, and even though now actually this time summer camps are going on, you can participate in summer camps like as a volunteer. So you can see how the students are behaving, how the kids are behaving. This is all, this volunteer work you can add in your CV. Then teaching assistant, even though you are a teacher, you can join as a teacher assistant for temporarily in any of the schools. That is also definitely helps. So these kind of things, plus freelance tuitions or be a part of any of the tuition centers, this all will help you for molding yourself. Okay, this will increase your confidence level. So if your confidence level is increased, of course you will get the job as well. This is what I have to tell about the experience related. Now about salary expectation. Salary expectation, you can expect the salary of 3,000 as a basic, like the beginning range of the salary. And when it is coming to CBSE curriculum, you know that the salary ranges comparatively less, but even though you can get a salary of 5,000 or 5,000 plus according to the experience. Okay, but this is the salary range. If you are selected for a British school or an American school, of course the salary will start like 4,000 to the higher range. So it can be like any value, like if it's a very good school, yeah, 4,000 to 8,000, 10,000, 13,000. If it is in under Tallinn or charter school, it can be even 16,000 per month. So this is the salary range it is coming. But we don't want to dream about this higher end schools at the beginning. As a fresher, you can join in any of the schools for the experience at first. So these are the main things. And one more thing, you asked for the husband visa related. If the school is excluding you, or after the interview if they are telling husband visa is a problem, then that is surely an excuse. So you don't want to worry about it. You can go with another school and try your maximum. You will surely get it. If your CV, in that CV itself you are mentioning you are in visiting visa, yes, after analyzing the CV, HRs are calling you. So if you got a call, there is a chance for you. You don't want to worry about anything like this. Just go confidently, you will surely get a job. So this is what I want to tell you today. This is a short video today. If you have any doubt related to this, please comment below. I will include that questions in another video and continue. If you want an ATS friendly CV, ATS friendly, you know that automated system is there in each and every schools, especially the massive kind of they are sorting your CV using computerized applications. So for boosting your CV, you need to make your CV as ATS format. So if you want that, please comment below and tell me about your insight. Don't waste your time in July. Prepare for some volunteer work or certification courses, whatever. Okay, don't simply sit over there. Hard work. Put hard work, smart work together. You will achieve your dream job. Sure. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you again.